Should you choose the bank or should you choose a mortgage brokerage or mortgage agent? What's the difference? Hello, everyone. This is June here from Caliber Wealth Management and Caliber Mortgage. I just wanted to make this video today to let the public know, let Canadians know what are your options, what's going on in the market, what kind of feedback needs to be given so that you can make the best informed decision for your family in building wealth and building your financial future. So, there's a myth out there right now that clients feel that mortgage brokers or mortgage agents, their jobs are only to kind of deal with client situations that are difficult or that they don't qualify for a mortgage at the bank. So that's when the mortgage brokerage kind of comes in to try to help the client. This is a part of the business that we can successfully help clients in difficult situation, but it's actually completely a myth that we only want to focus on helping clients like this. In reality, if you are a client that qualifies a mortgage at the bank, just so you know, the main reason why you need to consider dealing with a mortgage brokerage office or mortgage agent is to give yourself more options. And those options could be critical for at time of making your purchase. If you're in a multi-bidding war situation and you need to know if you can, get a little bit of a stretch to get the budget to attack the house that you want and win that bid, or if you wanted to buy the absolute best property for your dollar and you needed to kind of stretch the budget or make sure you're getting the buying power that you want or need to know your buying power, then this is such important information for that situation. And this doesn't only apply for the clients, it also applies to the realtor partners who, if your client can get an extra $100, $200, $300,000 buying power in their mortgage, what kind of properties could you help recommend to your client better to help them grow their wealth and have better opportunities for their investment or their first home. So what am I talking about? How is this possible? Just to give you guys an example, is if the client went to the bank themselves and qualified for the mortgage based upon their income, they're using calculation called GDS TDS, which is, to make it simple, is how much money do you make per month, per year, and after servicing your debt, you can only have a certain percentage, and that percentage is capped. And anything beyond that, then you cannot borrow beyond that percentage. And so right now at the big five banks, that TDS number is 44% in this example. This is very popular for the big five banks. And so what we can do is, for the exact same client, if they came through the broker channel, going through a mortgage agent, and they're dealing with an office that has good reputation with the lenders. Good reputation with the lenders means that they're submitting good business. They're also doing great volume and making good profits for the lender. Then they will reward that office flexibility. And that could mean that potentially in this example, we've seen clients in this example, instead of dealing with 44% as a cap, they could now get 49% or even 50%. Now, in case the client really needs buying power and doesn't want to go with this lender situation, we also have alternative lenders in the market that could potentially go up to 60% as an extreme example. So knowing that information, knowing that those options are so critical for your client's buying situation, and really equipping them with this knowledge will help them make better decisions down the road when they're ready to buy that house or that next investment property. So that's one reason, knowing your options. Another reason too is that when you're dealing with a mortgage broker or agent, you're dealing with their personalized customer service. And sometimes, clients have dealt with banks in the past and customer service may be a nightmare, maybe too slow. They need something to close faster. And so, our record for helping clients to close from submitting application to closing the deal, commitment on hand, my apologies. That means that their deal is approved and just need to submitting documents. Our fastest turnaround time, probably mortgage agents can do average in the industry, 5 days, 7 days. Some agents out there or offices have good reputation. Maybe they could do, 24 hours, 48 hours. Our record is, we're proud to say we can get a deal done potentially. Our record was 40 minutes, right? I know it sounds extreme, but that's because of the reputation and the relationship we have with the lenders, so that they know when we're helping client, we're dealing with quality business, to be able to kind of get that speed. As well, we also have access to in-house lawyer to make sure your speed of your closing is fast as well. A lot of times when you deal with certain lawyers out there, they require at least 10 to 14 days before closing to have enough processing time. We have in-house lawyer relationship as well to help our clients close within 24 to 48 hours as well. So having all of these options and relationships are so important for you, for the clients out there, for the market, and also for my realtor partners or future realtor partners. Why should you consider working with a good brokerage, good agent? Is these connections are so important. And by having these connections, it will help you grow and find opportunities within your network and your business that you never even thought about. You never even thought you had access to these abilities. And so wanting to let the public know that, having access to a team of good reputation, good abilities is key for your success, for your future. And, I always say to my clients, at the end of the day, it doesn't hurt to get potentially better options, or at least learn about new and available options, so that if you need to use it, you have those options available to you. So I hope you found this video useful. If you feel intrigued, or if you have any questions or concerns, please give me a message, leave a comment below, and I can personally reach out to you to discuss further. If you found this information useful, please give us a like, follow as well, to support the account. Greatly appreciate your time for watching the whole video. Until next time, take care and be safe. Bye-bye.